You're watching this video because you're looking to switch up your deodorant. Either you want something that's aluminum free or you're looking for more natural ingredients. So I'd like to tell you about this one by Honestly Fresh. It is a prebiotic deodorant, which I will explain here in just a moment. I did receive this as a gift from the company so that I could try it out and tell you about my experiences. Spoiler alert, 100% positive so far. And it's summer here, so really nice. So prebiotic deodorant, what that means is there are ingredients in this that support healthy bacteria, and the healthy bacteria then ward off the not so healthy bacteria that are the ones that are the odor-causing bacteria. So to have the good healthy bacteria in that help is supported by this deodorant is a positive. So I will tell you there is a trick to this. You want to put this on your skin for 1 to 2 seconds just to kind of warm it up, and then it'll glide really easily. And it smells really good. This is the Barely Sweet scent, and it is a subtle sweet, just like you would kind of expect. So yeah, it's good. Like I said, currently where I live, it has been in the upper 90s, and this has lasted me until like my next shower the next day. So no complaints about this at all. This really works for me. Have you heard of a prebiotic deodorant before? Put it down in the comments. I'm curious if you've heard of it. If you like this video, please hit the like button. I will have this linked down in the description so you can go pick it up for yourself. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, please hit subscribe so you don't miss a thing.